Welcome to Wombat Chef America. Today we made some sushi and we have some leftover stuff from making sushi. And so we are going to use it to assemble a poke bowl. Okay, here we have our sashimi grade yellowfin tuna. I'm going to cut this in a couple different ways. I'm going to chop it up fine, and we're going to make some spicy tuna. I'm not really sure how. Maybe I'll start on this end. I'm going to start by just cutting some pieces, and then I'm going to try and chop this sort of a little bit more finely. And that's good. Okay, so I'm going to use this to make some spicy tuna, and I'm just going to kind of just chop it some more, chop it again. We want it to be kind of smallish pieces, but they don't have to be perfect. Nice. Okay. But I want them to be small enough that I can mix it in with my spicy tuna mix. All right, so we've got our tuna chopped, which we're going to use for spicy tuna. I'm going to put it in the bowl here, and then I'm going to take. This is all sort of to taste, so you don't have to do it the way I do it. But a good squeeze of sriracha sauce. I like Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I'm using the olive oil kind today because that's what we have. But I like it kind of spicy. The people who like spicy around here like it kind of spicy. So I'm going to mix it up until we have a paste. Okay, now I'm going to take a carrot. I'm going to just sort of try and julienne this. I'm no chef, that's for sure, but I'm going to just try and cut some little baby pieces that we can use. I don't even know if we're going to use them, but we might use them. Now we have a malformed cucumber, but they're malformed but tasty, from our Corona Victory Garden, which you can see on the David Walmsley channel on YouTube if you'd like. Learn about how we have been attempting to grow some vegetables and have actually grown a few during the pandemic. So we're going to take this cucumber. We want to slice this too. We want to try and, I'm not going to get too precious and fussy about all this because wombats aren't precious and fussy. But we just like to have fun with food, and which will not be fed to the dog. So we're going to put a little helping of rice as such. We got some nice spicy tuna here. This is kind of like a little poke appetizer style with a little spicy tuna. We have some little julienne carrots, which are delicious and nutritious. We have a little cucumber, which is also nice. A little green color, and also is incredibly nutritious, apparently. We have a few spinach leaves, which we can add as garnish. And also, this is superfood, so it'll help you live forever and stay strong. And we have some sesame seeds, which we can sprinkle on top, make it look really super pretty. Maybe give it a little, just like a little squirt of some delicious soy sauce. And there, we kind of have an improvised poke bowl a la wombat. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and happy cooking.